Hi guys, this is Ayushi, your friend and mentor. Now, recently a lot of students have been reaching out to me saying that ma'am, I'm skipping my attempt because I don't know how to clear this exam. Only 40 days are left, and hence I felt that I really need to record this video because number one thing, my message to every single student out there: please do not skip your attempt. It's 6 months of your life is very precious, and 40 days are enough for you to clear it. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can study in a way that you can easily clear your exams in the next 40 days. Okay. So firstly, if you are planning to skip your attempt by any chance, then please go and check my video on why you should not skip the attempt. I'll also put the link in the video below this. Now coming to how you can clear your exams in the next 40 days. So 40 days seems to be very less, but let me tell you, if planned properly and if utilized well, this 40 days are enough for you to pass the exam. Now the only condition I have for you is if you have completed your classes. Don't matter whether you have done self-study or not, or how many classes if you skipped. If most of the classes if you have attended, and if you are familiar with the subjects and the concepts, and you have gone through classes and everything at least once, then this 40 days you can, if you study well, you can clearly pass your exam smoothly. Now how to do it? If you see, you have 40 days in total. Okay, out of this 40 days, I'll take out 4 days. 4 days for you to give mock test paper, or for you to solve RTPs or any other thing, buffer time. I'll take out this 40 days for 4 days out of this 40 days for you to work upon other things. We will call it as a buffer time. Now even if I take out this 4 days from your 40 days, you have 36 days in hand. Okay, and in this 36 days you can easily clear at least one group. If not both group, I guarantee you can at least clear one group if you follow what I'm asking you to do for the next 40 days. So if you see this 36 days, in one group you will have 4 papers, approximately 4 exams, 4 subjects. And if we divide this 36 days into 4 parts, then every single subject you can still allocate at least 9 days, or which is approximate. Let's say one subject you are really good at and one subject you are really weak. Then you can allocate 12 days to the subject which you are weak at, and 6 days to the subject which you are already good at and you are done with the revision. So like that you can, give and borrow, take and borrow amongst the subject. But I'll talk about overall basis. You have 9 good days for every single subject. Now you might be thinking, ma'am, but in 9 days how would I study the entire subject? Buddy, 9 days is more than sufficient. Trust me, when it comes to at least CA intermediate exam, 9 days is more than sufficient. Even CA final subjects, 9 days is sufficient. Because if you see 9 days, if you look at it 9 days, it will look like very less. But what can be accomplished in those 9 days, you cannot comprehend. Because in these 9 days, even if you are studying 10 hours in one day, which I believe by now most of you must be studying even more than 10 hours. But in my example, let's say you are studying just 10 hours in a day and you have 9 days for subject. So you see, you have 90 hours per subject, and 90 hours you can start the subject from the scratch and then finish it up. And again, if you feel like no, I cannot complete the subject in 90 hours, then let me tell you, even if you study very slow as just reading 10 pages in an hour. I believe reading 10 pages in an hour is not a big task. 6 minutes per page is very normal. It's very decent speed to study. So even if you are studying 10 pages in 1 hour, in those 9 days, by studying 10 hours a day and 10 pages in every single hour, you can complete studying 900 pages very easily. I'm pretty sure all your notes can get covered within 900 pages is the maximum. 1000 pages is like too much. 900 pages is the most you are having in front of you, and you can cover it up. If you are referring to multiple books, my suggestion to you is less is more. Just pick couple of books for every single subject, stick to that and focus and study. Now every single day, even if you take one chapter, you can easily complete within 9 days. On an average, I'll tell you, every single subject you can easily divide it in 8 parts, 8 chapters, 8 major parts you can divide. And every single part you take every single day, within 8 days you will be able to be thorough with all the chapters in that particular subject, and the 9th day you can keep it as for revision, for RTPs, and for solving other question papers and anything. You can utilize one day in some other way. Now what you have to do, every single day take one chapter. First of all, read the concept, build the understanding by going through your classes notes, and then you can solve the questions or practice sums from the modules, and then you can also read RTPs and all regarding that particular chapter. So like this you can build a study pattern for every single day. Okay, first I will take this chapter, I will study it from my module, from my classes notes, and then I will look at the modules to check whether I'm missing out on any concept or not, and at the end I will also try to solve this particular paper. So like this, build a flow for every single chapter and read one chapter in a day. So on an average you can divide your entire syllabus into 8 parts and take one part every single day. So within 8 days you will be thorough with the subject, you will be done with the chapter. Now let's say once some subject is wide, like you cannot complete within 8 days, it has 10 chapters for example. So guys, even if you skip 2 chapters, it's okay. 80% of studies, 80% of syllabus coverage is really good. Still, out of this 80, if you have studied well, you can easily get 50 to 60 marks, believe me. And 40 marks is not a big challenge. So don't be disheartened. You still have time. Okay, like this. Couple of things I would like to add here. The first exam which you are appearing for, the first paper is going to be accounts. So my suggestion to you would be, first start with the 4th chapter. First study the 4th chapter and the 4th subject and the 3rd subject and the 2nd subject, and utilize the 4-5 days of buffer time in between, and then start studying for your first subject, so that you do not need revision for that particular subject. And this is how in the next 40 days, if you study well, you can easily clear your exams. Trust me, if you see it as 40 days, it will look very less. But if you see it as 400 hours of study which you still have, in this 400 hours you can read 4,000 pages, where you can sum up your entire syllabus. Even without any self-study, you can easily do it, believe me. So do not skip attempt and follow this strategy. I shared with you for group 1. If you are appearing for one of the group, let's say you want to appear for both the groups, I'll tell you, even for both the groups, this time is sufficient. 40 divided by 8 papers. You get 5 days per subject. Again, follow the same strategy and you will be able to clear your exams with really good marks. Okay.